What good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm just here to share my insight with y'all in the markets and help y'all become better informed investor. None of this is financial advice. You have to remember to always do your own due diligence, never risk more than you can lose. Just use proper risk management. Be smart. First off, come join our private investment community, private stock market game. Salute to everybody that's been rocking with us. But I got something very, very important to say. I checked my YouTube analytics. They tell me we have 30,000 unique viewers that have not subscribed, that are consistently watching my videos over and over. What are y'all doing, man? Hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, man. Let me know y'all really rocking with me. If you already have done that, make sure you hit that thumbs up like button, man. I appreciate y'all. First off, follow me on Twitter as well, at DecemberDeMarco. Stay up to date, minute by minute, play by play with everything that's going on with the channel. Salute to the sponsors of this video. Shout out to Genius Coin. I highly suggest y'all to come check this out. This is a extremely undervalued crypto project with what this team is trying to do right now. They have a solid team behind them. The team is doxed. So I highly recommend y'all check this out at genius-coin.com. Also, come follow them on Twitter as well and let them know how y'all heard about them. I might have something special for you if I see you over there. So at genius_coin on Twitter. So now for what y'all came to see, we got Shiba Inu up 8% on the day right now. If y'all were watching this early, at some point we were around 15%. If y'all see my video that I dropped yesterday, I was 100% accurate with what I told y'all would happen. I told y'all we were forming a double bottom here on the chart. We had a bottom here. We had a bottom here. I told y'all this is a bullish signal that it was likely to reverse, especially with the doji candle popping up, showing that the trend would be likely to turn around and move in the upwards direction. So congratulations to everybody that bought that dip. Y'all are intelligent investors, man. Y'all are getting better and better each and every day, and that's what I like to see, man. I also enjoy everybody giving me feedback, letting me know that this technical analysis is actually helping y'all out. I just finally came to realize that a lot of YouTubers or influencers in this crypto space, meme coin space, do not even understand technical analysis. So that's one benefit to the channel that you should be definitely subscribing for. So a lot of y'all, if y'all don't know my history, I'm a day trader. I trade options. That's what I mainly do. And you have to understand technical analysis and understand how to read the charts, candlesticks, chart patterns and things like that to be able to be successful in that. So I'm trying to just, help y'all out by sharing some of my knowledge with y'all. So hopefully we all eating over here. So quickly, I like to, drop a gem in each video. So from a technical analysis tool that I think is very good for y'all to use is this fib retracement tool. So what we're doing right now is trying to see how far you see. So first off, what we can do is identify what happened here. So let me just take this off. So you can see we had that double bottom, price went bullish. We had an impulse all the way up to this range. Notice what happened. Pay attention. What happened? Drop in the comment section if you could recognize what happened right here and why this was likely to pull back. So I'm going to give y'all a second, but make sure y'all hit that subscribe button if y'all haven't, man. Why are 30,000 people watching on average between 6 to 7 of my videos per week and have not subscribed yet? What are y'all doing, man? Pull up on me, man. Hit that subscribe button. But you can see here we had a previous resistance and the price was rejected. We had a lot of sellers at this point right here. So once the price went in this range, it kind of, tried to, break through, but it was immediately pulled back down. And the sellers rejected and pushed it back down to the downside. Bottom, impulse, correction, bottom again. And we had this nice impulse here for a 15% run up. Now we're sitting at just about 8%. But what I want to determine now is where is the next dip? Where is this price likely to, retrace to? And a lot of people, they get mad at me because I know not everybody that's really truly inside my private stock market game community, not y'all, but some of the newer people who come to the channel, I guess they're not used to hearing a YouTuber say right now is not the best time to buy. They're used to everyone just saying buy right now, buy right now, buy right now. You can always buy any project you want whenever you want. I'm not the boss of you. But what I try to do is help y'all out by getting a better entry and getting in for a cheaper price. Now, hopefully y'all not mad at me for doing that. I'm very bullish. Y'all know I'm holding sheep for 5 years plus. So don't be upset when I say, wait for a little pullback to buy the dip. I don't want some of y'all to buy at, basically the highest price. I just want y'all to get a little discount. That's all. So come over here, grab your fib retracement tool. You go to the last swing low. So when it last went low, we went around this point right here. Last swing high, boom, right there. So we can see, remember the key levels are the 38.2% range, the 50% range at this line here, and the 61.8% range. You noticed, so so it's saying we're likely, let me get on the 4-hour, matter of fact, sometimes when you're in a high time frame like the 4-hour chart, you might want to, or the daily chart, you might want to switch over to the 4-hour just to get a better view of what's going on. So you can see right now this candle is already lower than this area. It could continue to move up, but likely we should be seeing some type of retracement, because you see sellers push this wick all the way down to, the real, or they push the real, this is called the real body. The main section of the candle is the real body of the candle. This section is called a wick or a shadow. And you see sellers push the real body of the candle all the way back to this point from where the high point of the wick was. So that showed that, they were seeing a lot of selling pressure in this area. So what we're looking to see is where are we likely to pull back to. So we can, we might just see this 38.2 range right here. We could snipe this 50 range, or an even better range would be this 61.8% range. But what should we be doing? We should be looking for previous resistance levels. Remember, our previous resistance levels, this section, become our new support levels. So now we're looking, where's the closest point that this can possibly find support. So right around this range is where it's looking like it could find some support. So at this it looked like we might hold the 8 range today. That'll be really nice if we can hold that up right there. And it only pulled back to around, now see, the reason why I would say I think high 7s it should pull back to, because that's right around that last support. It's right around this area for a last support, and it's also right on this 61.8% range. So you try to line these up. You try to, stack them on top of each other. So we can see previous resistance, 61.8% range. We can see we found some resistance here again, dipped down, broke out of there, moved all the way up here, and now it may, fizzle back around this range, settle here, bounce. And this is not saying that it'll happen, immediately. This can happen, over a period of time, and, pull back to this range. A lot of people may buy in still because of all the good news, but it's likely to want to pull back around this 38.2 range, around the high 8s. If we break the high 8s, then I'm expecting to see the 61.8% range at the, high 7s. So, it's looking good, though. Looking very good. I'm excited for what we got to come, man. We're very strong. Now, the reason why we had this mass run up today, no one is for sure, but, the word on the street, I got my ear to the streets, is that was Robinhood that made that $43 million purchase, and they're continuing to add their SHIB to their bag. So, as I like to say, connect the dots, y'all. Who else, right after the SEC says that they don't plan on, or Jerome Powell and the government says that they don't plan on, basically banning crypto in the U.S., a whale comes out of nowhere, spends $43 million on SHIB. Connect the dots, y'all. Who else would be waiting for something like that? Who else has to abide by regulations and, would want to save themselves, the hassle or the trouble of doing all this paperwork, loading a crypto like SHIB to their platform and having to take it down later? Robinhood, y'all. So they're waiting for the perfect timing is what I suspect. So I really, this is not financial advice. I can't tell you to do something. You have to do your own due diligence. You have to, determine how long do you want to invest in this project, if this is a good project for you. But, for us that already know that we're, what we're doing and that we are, committed to this project, then you should definitely want to be adding to your bags if we get to, some of these lower range that is projecting. You might want to throw a little something on there just to, buy the dip. It's not saying that it won't dip further, but you just want to accumulate on those dips. You don't want to buy on days like today. A day when it's 15% up, 8% up, that's not when you want to buy. You can do what you want to do, but you don't want to chase. Chasing is one of the deadly sins of investing. So keep that in mind, y'all. That's all we got for this video. Again, come check out Genius Coin. This coin is super undervalued. come scoop it up for the low. This is not financial advice. Come check out the project. Come check out the use case. I highly suggest y'all join the Telegram. Ask the team some questions. You know what I'm saying? And if you feel in the project, then grab a bag, man. So also, again, on Twitter, at @genius_coin. That's all we got for this video, man. Salute to y'all. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me, and we are out.